to delete multiple Snapchat friends at once. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Here, click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. Then scroll down in here, go to My Friends. After you're in My Friends, you'll find all the friends in your account. Hold on to their profile. Click on Manage Friendship. Click on Remove Friend. You can repeat this process to all the friends you want to remove, as there is no one way to delete multiple Snapchat friends at once. You will need to delete it one by one, and this is the only way. This is how to delete multiple Snapchat friends at once. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.